Judge, this is the case of the Hudsons.
Thank you. Okay. You all may be seated. Mr. Roberts, you filed this case before the court?
Yes, ma'am.
What's going on?
Well, I still pay child support because our daughter goes to school. It's better for her to go to school in her area as opposed to mine. Our schools are terrible. We don't really do well over there, and her school is great over there. But I wanted kind of a reduction.
Wait a minute, when you say reduction, you're paying child support to her.
Yes.
Who does the child live with?
Me. But she goes to school with her.
It's not a, wait a minute.
Yes,
you all know that's not how this works, right?
What?
Buckle up, folks. Today's courtroom saga is packed with jaw-dropping moments, legal confusion, and a money situation that will leave you scratching your head. Meet Mr. Roberts, a father who's still forking over child support, even though the child actually lives with him. Sounds backward, right? Well, welcome to the chaos. We're diving deep into the tangled web of loopholes, unexpected turns, and fiery back and forths. It's a showdown of logic versus law, and you'll want to hear every bit of it. So the big questions are, who's really winning here? And more importantly, who's actually right? Stick around as we break.
The person who the child lives with does not pay child support. The person who the child does not live with pays child support.
Well, ma'am, originally we had an agreement with the court.
And it's your honor or judge.
I'm sorry, your honor.
Oh, go ahead.
My bad. We originally had an agreement, but she goes to night school. So, our daughter lives with me.
Okay,
but she goes to her
cute
school.
That you guys have an agreement.
Yes, ma'am.
But the person that the child lives with does not pay child support. You understand that, right, ma'am?
Yes, but I'm the one that pays for her schooling.
How much is her schooling?
It's $600 a month.
$600 a month. But the child lives with him. She has needs outside of school. You understand that, right?
Yes, I understand.
So the child is living with you.
Yes.
You're paying for her day-to-day expenses.
Absolutely.
You're paying for her extracurricular activities, I'm assuming, right?
Absolutely. Yes, ma'am.
What are you paying for besides school?
I only pay for school and the food that she eats on a day-to-day basis.
You put food in his house?
Oh, plot twist incoming. The judge just dropped a bombshell. If you've got full custody of your child, you shouldn't be the one paying child support. That's like being charged rent to live in your own house. But here's Mr. Roberts, still cutting checks each month like it's just the norm. This isn't about generosity or sticking to an outdated agreement anymore. This is about legal fairness, or, in his case, the complete lack of it. So here's the dilemma. Should personal deals between parents override what the law clearly says is right?
Why don't y'all just get back together?
No, that's not a good idea.
That doesn't make any sense.
She's kind of volatile. So we like each other outside of a relationship, but in a relationship, it's kind of volatile. So
okay,
yeah,
so yeah, guys, that's not how this works. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You should not be paying child support to her, and the child lives with you. Are you giving him the money back?
No.
What are you doing with the money?
I spend it on her schooling. And
you spend it on what?
Using it to pay for her schooling.
To pay for her school, but she does not live with you. You know what? How much money you make a year?
I make $50,000 a year.
Wait, hold up.
Did I say something wrong?
I didn't know you had a job.
What do you mean, hold up?
I didn't know she had a job.
Wait a minute.
And of course, the old suggestion pops up. Why don't you two just get back together? Classic. But Roberts isn't buying that fairy tale. He shuts it down quick. The relationship was a mess, and trying to patch it up would just stir up even more drama. Honestly, he's got a point. Co-parenting is already tricky without dragging a broken relationship back into the picture. Reuniting just for financial ease? That's a disaster waiting to happen. So what do you think? Is trying again ever worth it when the stakes are this high?
I just started working.
See, you're coming in here playing these games. Look, we're not here to play games, okay? He should have known that you were working. And you should not be taking money away from him, and you have a job, and you're making how much?
I'm making $50,000 a year.
$50,000 a year? You know what? You think it's a game.
In all honesty, Judge, I just started working.
You think it's a game. That's not cute. And this is not funny. This is a serious matter. This man is paying child support for a child who lives with him. He has to pay extra money for his expenses and everything. You understand that? So you have a 2-bedroom home or
Yes, ma'am.
apartment?
Yes, ma'am.
He has to get an extra bedroom. That's extra money that he could be saving. Do you understand that?
I understand.
Electricity bill, all the other expenses, they're increasing. While you're sitting on $50,000 a year. Okay, so based on the calculation I have here, have your gross at $4,166.67. Brings your net down to $3,266 to $3,266.81. How many children do you have, ma'am?
Just one.
Just one? Okay. That's going to be based on 20%. So child support is $653.37. You can close your mouth. It's okay. You're getting $600 right now from him, and you make $50,000 a year. Who pays health insurance for this child?
I do.
How much is health insurance?
$150.
$150. How often are you paid?
I get paid every 2 weeks, ma'am.
Okay. So for the child only, it's $150?
Yes, ma'am.
You do understand that a part of the child support obligation is...
Hold up. She's got a job, and not just any job. She's bringing in $50,000 a year. That right there? That's when the judge loses patience. And can you really blame them? How do you forget to mention you're making that kind of money? We're not talking pocket change. This is serious income being left off the table while a father continues to carry the load. In a courtroom where honesty is everything, leaving out key financial info feels straight up shady. So let's hear it. Should parents who hide income face real consequences?
Understand that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you, ma'am, will be paying $653.37 plus $150 as medical reimbursement for the child, which brings your monthly obligation to $803.30.
And just like that, the judge flips the script. Time to level the playing field. According to the numbers, she now owes him $83.37 each month. Talk about a role reversal. Has shocked reaction? That silence says everything. Taking support money is one thing, but giving it back? That hits differently. Fair is fair, and justice cuts both ways. But here's the kicker. Should past overpayments be factored in when decisions like this are made? What's your take on it?
You can close your mouth, because that's what it's going to be.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Any other questions, anything else pertaining to the child? We're not here to play games, ma'am. You need to do what's right by him as well as by your child. Everybody clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If nothing further, you all are dismissed.
And there you have it. Justice, served straight. The court laid it out plain and simple. If you're the custodial parent, you shouldn't be stuck paying child support. And if you're earning a decent salary, full transparency isn't optional. It's legally required. Bottom line? Keep your financials in check, because the courtroom doesn't mess around. So what's your verdict? Was the judge spot on here? Or do you see it another way? Let us know in the comments. And if you're into breaking down wild courtroom cases like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more legal drama you won't want to miss. Catch you in the next one.